Humidifiers can make a huge difference, especially when the weather gets chilly. So today I'm reviewing one of the cutest little humidifiers that Crane has to offer, the Crane Cool Mist Humidifier. Crane is a trusted brand in home wellness and family products, known for their fun, functional designs that are perfect for both kids and adults. This ultrasonic humidifier promises to bring quiet, consistent moisture back into your space, helping you breathe easier and sleep better while doubling as a playful piece for room decor. And don't forget to check the YouTube description down below for any coupons to this humidifier. All right, let's get started. Let's start with a quick overview of this humidifier. This humidifier is designed for small to medium-sized rooms, like nurseries, bedrooms, or home offices for up to about 500 square feet. It holds half a gallon of water, which allows it to run for up to 15 hours on the lowest setting. The ultrasonic technology creates a cool, fine mist without using heat, which makes it safer for kids' rooms and even pets. The owl design is part of Crane's Adorables line, which includes animals like elephants, unicorns, and penguins. The playful look makes it perfect for children's spaces or anyone who just wants something a little more cheerful than a plain humidifier. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and honestly small enough without taking up too much space. Now let's go over how to use it. To get started, remove the tank from the base, twist off the cap, and fill it with cool or distilled water. Distilled water is always recommended for ultrasonic humidifiers since it helps prevent mineral buildup and the white dust that can sometimes appear when using tap water. Once filled, screw the cap back on securely and place the tank onto the base. Then plug it in and press the power button to turn it on. You'll see a steady stream of cool mist come out of the top almost instantly. You can continue to press the button to change the output from low to medium to high. I found that the medium setting worked best for me, but for around 8 hours of use, there was a little bit of water left, but not enough to carry me into the next night. When it's time to clean, just remove any leftover water and rinse the tank with warm water. For a deeper clean, use a 50-50 mix of water and white vinegar once a week to remove any buildup inside the tank or base. Crane also recommends wiping down the mist nozzle and base with a soft cloth and letting all parts dry completely before reassembling. Now, let's talk about some key features that sets this humidifier apart. The Crane Mini Owl uses ultrasonic vibrations to convert water into an ultrafine mist. That means it's almost completely silent, and it's a major advantage if you plan to use it while sleeping or in a baby's nursery. Even on the highest setting, it produces just a soft hum that easily blends into the background. It features a button with 3 different mist outputs, so you can customize how much moisture you want in the air. Whether you're looking to add a little humidity for comfort or you need moisture for cold or allergy relief, you can control it with a simple push of a button. Like I said, on the medium setting, I noticed there was still a little bit of water, but not enough to carry me into the next night. The humidifier also includes a vapor pad tray, which allows you to use Crane's vapor pads for a gentle menthol or lavender scent. This can be especially helpful if you're sick or congested, or if you just want a spa-like aromatherapy touch. The vapor tray is built right into the back of the humidifier, and it gently warms the pads to release the scent without affecting mist temperature. There's also an auto shut-off feature that turns the unit off when the water runs low, which is a crucial safety detail, especially if you're using it overnight or in a child's room. It's BPA-free and made with clean, child-safe materials, so you don't have to worry about any harsh plastics or toxins. And one thing I really like is how easy it is to take it apart for cleaning. Every piece comes apart smoothly, and the wide tank opening makes it easy to reach inside with a soft cloth or sponge. And though there is a red sleep support light and color changing feature, it's also energy efficient. It uses less power than a light bulb, making it eco-friendly and cost-effective option for daily use. Let's go over pricing and Crane's policies. The Crane Mini Owl Cool Mist Humidifier costs around $50 on Amazon, but it occasionally goes on sale. It comes with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty that covers defects and mechanical issues under normal household use. Now let's go over a quick pros and cons list, starting with the pros. First, the design is fun, functional, and perfect for kids. Second, it's super quiet and energy efficient and produces a fine mist that maintains healthy humidity levels all night long. And third, it's easy to clean and features a built-in vapor pad tray for optional aromatherapy. And of course, no product is perfect, so let's go over its cons. The biggest downside is its tank size, and it's only half a gallon, so it won't last as long as larger humidifiers. That means you may need to refill it daily, especially if you're using it on a higher mist setting. Another drawback is that it doesn't have a top fill design, which can make it slightly less convenient compared to some other models. And finally, the top can come off pretty easily. If you found this video helpful or you're planning on buying this humidifier for one of your kids, be sure to let me know in the comments down below, and also don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram and TikTok, and I'll see you right here next time. Bye!